Hey guys, so I'm going to show you how to use immediate tap controls for your Sony earbuds. Now it's pretty simple, so just first take out the earbuds. Now just so you guys know, for controlling this stuff, you're going to be tapping the main surface area. So put them in your ears and tap this part here. Now the right one is going to be the main one you're using here. Just for example, bringing up YouTube. If you want to adjust the controls, then stay to the end. But yeah, for the right earbud, now you're going to tap it one time to play or pause. It does have to be in your ear though. Just tapping once. So you see it played and tapping again, now it paused. Now if you tap that 2 times quickly, then you go to the next track and tap it 3 times quickly. Then it goes back to the previous. Now if you tap the earbud 4 times, then it's going to do volume up. And if you tap the left one 4 times, then it does volume down. And once more. Now if you want to adjust some of these controls, then you need the Sony Headphones Connect app. And press on the System tab. You see right here, these are all the controls. If you want to change controls, press Edit. So this, for example, you see right here for the quick access. To adjust double tap, for example, press here. And this changed to something else like Spotify tap. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope this helped out.